Hi, welcome back. We are going to see a simple explanation of modules with respect to Node.js. So, what do you mean by a module? In Node.js, every file is a module. So, if every file is a module, how are we going to use each modules in another JavaScript file or another modules? So, let's see that part. So, first, before splitting a code into module, we'll have a simple implementation of some addition program. So very basic addition of two numbers concept. We are writing this as a function here. Right. So I have created a function that will get two parameters. One is two numbers and add that number and print the output. So now this function is already there in this main file, that is the start file. Now if I need to use this function, I can straight away use this by add 9, 10 or any number whatever it may be. I can save this and I can run this mode space dot js. So this is the basic implementation of a function. But how can I convert this into a module? So as I said already, every file is a module. So if I need to add this as a separate module, I can create a new file. For example, calculator.js, and I can simply copy this function or cut this function and add this here. And so it is not enough only if we add this function here alone. There is another one statement has to be written in order to use this function in the start file or the app.js file. That is module dot exports equal to add. We are just exporting this constant here. We are exporting this constant to the entire application, that is visible to entire application. So that's it from this file, and now we are coming back to here. So what if I run this file, whether will I get the output? Will definitely not get the output. Actually we'll get some error, because for this app.js file, add method is not visible, or this app.js file will not know what is this add function. So in order to make this add function available to this app.js file, we need to add require statement equal to require dot slash calculator.js. .js is not necessary when you add the require statement. So now with this require statement, this add function that is available here will be accessible to the start add.js file, and possibly this code will run and produce a proper output. So now we'll try running this app.js file. That's it. So this is a very simple explanation of modules in Node.js. That is, we can add a function and we can export this function to make it available to other JavaScript files, and whichever JavaScript file I need to use that exported function, I can import that to that JavaScript file using require statement, and then I can use that function or even variable. That is also possible. So this is the explanation of modules in Node.js. Hope this is informative. You can add any feedback if you have anything. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting us.